next term, that is the addressing mode. Addressing mode is basically the way of specifying the location of an operand in an instructions. It also defines the effective address of an operand presented in the instruction. Basically, with the help of different addressing modes, we are finding the effective address and the operand value on which we want to perform the different operations. Basically, we have calculated two terms with the help of these addressing modes. First one is the effective address. Effective address is basically the actual address of the operand. On at those it is those address that on that address your operand is actually stored. And second term that we have find is the operand value. These operand values are those on which we perform our operation. So there are different types of addressing modes. These are the various types of addressing modes through which we find out the value of operands on which we have to perform the different operations. Okay, so we need some instructions through which we can apply these addressing modes and then finally find out the value of the operands and their effective addresses. So first is your implied or implicit addressing mode. Basically, in this addressing modes, the definition of the instruction itself specify the operand implicitly. There is no need of any instruction format to specifying the effective address and their operand value. On the definition of instruction itself provides the operand value. In this type of addressing modes, the operand is generally as is an accumulator. So it is also called the implicit addressing mode. For example, the instruction given is complement accumulator is itself is an implied mode instruction, because here in instruction itself provide the operand. The operand is the complement accumulator. Basically, you have to perform this instruction on the accumulator on which the given value, available value in the accumulator is performing the complement of that value. So in implied or implicit addressing modes, there is no need to specify the operand in the instruction, but it is predetermined in the given instruction itself. Now, next addressing mode is the stack addressing mode. Basically, this addressing mode is operated on the stack. Stack basically work on the two operations, that is pop and push operations. So in this kind of addressing mode, the operand value will be find out at the top of the stack. So effective address will be at the top of the stack. For example, if you have to perform the add operation with the help of this stack addressing mode, so you need two operand value for performing this instruction. So if you are having two values 2 and 4, on these two operand value you have to perform the add operation with the help of a stack. So first of all you push the value 2 into the stack, and then you push the value of the second operand, that is 4, onto the stack as available in the given figure. After providing two values in the stack 2 and 4, you provide the opcode value that you have to perform on that operands, that is the add. So whenever you push the value of opcode into the stack, it perform that opcode operation. So the final value of these two operand by after performing this add operation will be the 6. So after executing this instruction, at the top of this stack the final value is available, the available is 6. So the value operand value of the operand value in case of a stack addressing mode is the value at the top of this stack. So top of this value available at the top of this stack will be 6, and its corresponding address value will be the effective address for that operand. So in this mode you can find out the effective address and its corresponding operand value with the help of a stack addressing mode. You have just using two kinds of operation, one is push and second is pop operation. Now continue to next addressing mode that is the immediate addressing mode. The simplest form of the addressing mode is the immediate addressing modes. From this addressing mode we are using the instruction format on which we store our address field. Through this address field we are finding the different operand value available in either in the memory or the registers. So in this addressing mode the operand specify the instruction itself. Here you can see that the figure in which the instruction format is available. Here we are only concentrate on the address field from which we are finding our operand value or the effective address. So in the address field of the instruction, data is directly stored here in case of immediate addressing mode. So here at the place of address field directly the operand value is available. So here we define this kind of formula, address equal to operand. Here the value of the address itself is the operand value, and on some location this instruction is available in your memory, so that memory location will be the effective address for the immediate addressing mode. The next addressing mode is the direct addressing mode. Here the concept of direct address is applicable that I previously defined. So in this addressing mode the address field of the instruction itself contains the effective address of the operand. So here in the diagram, here is the instruction format, and this is the third field of the addressing instruction that represent the address value. So in case of direct addressing mode, This A represent the effective address of the operand, and this address field refer to a some memory location. At that memory location the operand value will be available. So here memory reference is required to fetch the operand is at the one time only. This type of addressing mode is also known as the absolute addressing mode. And we define the formula for this addressing mode is effective address equal to A, where A designate the address field of the instruction, the address available in the instruction itself. The next addressing mode is the indirect addressing mode. Here we apply the concept of indirect address. So the value available in the instruction address field is represented to the some memory location, and at that memory location the value available is refers to the effective address of that operand. So again this value refers to the memory, and at that place the operand value will be available. So here memory reference is 2 times. So we define this effective address with the formula is effective address equal to you have defined if you want to specify some address, then this address will be defined with the help of parenthesis. So effective addressing mode formula will be effective address, the address of the A. So address of the A value refer to the indirect address. So this kind of addressing mode is called the indirect addressing mode, that uses the concept of indirect address. The next addressing mode is the register direct addressing mode.